Next topic is methods of debugging. It's one of the important topic. There are five methods. First one is debugging by brute force attack, then debugging by injection. Next is debugging by detection. Next, debugging by backtracking. Then last method is debugging by testing. Here we consider the three methods: debugging by injection, debugging by detection, and finally debugging by backtracking. Debugging by injection. It's one of the method of debugging. It's a bottom up approach. In injection, one proceeds from the particular to the whole. That is, by starting with the symptoms of the error in the result of one or more test cases and looking for relationship among the symptoms. So it's following a bottom up approach, which means from one error or symptom, it is find out the relationship and it is reaching to the entire system. In diagram, it's showing the explanation. Firstly, locate the pertinent data, means collect the relevant data, and after that, organize the data. Data is organized, which include both the correct and incorrect data. Then find out the relationship. Looking for relationship among the symptoms and devise a hypothesis, which means make an assumption. If assumption can prove, then finally, if assumption is proved successfully, then finally fix the error. If it cannot prove, then repeat the process. Firstly, locate the pertinent data, which means enumeration of all you know what the program did correctly and what it did incorrectly. Then data is organized, which means the structure the pertinent relevant data to let you observe the pattern. Then devise a assumption. Study the relationship among the clues and devise using the patterns that might be visible in the structure of the clues. One or more hypothesis about the cause of the error. Then prove the assumption. After that, if hypothesis, if assumption is proved successfully, then go to fix the error, else repeat the process. Then next is debugging by detection. It's an approach of reducing something. Reduce. It's a top to bottom up approach. The process of detection proceeds from some general theories or premises, using the process of elimination and refinement to arrive at a conclusion, means the location of the error. Firstly, enumerate all possible causes of errors. Use the data to eliminate, and after that, make an assumption. If we can prove the assumption, if assumption is successfully proved, then fix the errors. Otherwise, repeat the process. Collect the next data, then make an assumption, then prove that assumption, finally fix the errors. Step-wise are, first step is enumerate the possible cause or hypothesis. The first step is to develop a list of possible causes of error, then use the data to eliminate possible causes. For that, carefully examine all of the data, particularly by looking for contradiction. For example, if 10 data is there, suppose 10 data is available, then select one, then remaining 9 data is kept in a collect more data. Then from one data, we make assumption, then we checking if the assumption is okay, if the assumption can prove or not. If the assumption is successfully proved, then finally fix the error. Otherwise, collect the next data from the collect more data. Then repeat this procedure until we get we fix the error. The third step is refine the remaining hypothesis, and then finally prove the remaining hypothesis and fix the error. Then the last method is debugging by backtracking. Debugging by backtracking is the same concept of traceback. For small programs, the method of backtracking is more effective to locate errors. For example, to use this method, start at the place in the program where an incorrect or unexpected result was produced. From that, we go backward in the program, one step at a time. This is a mental reverse execution of program, which means this is executing the program in reverse order to derive the values of all variables in the previous step. Then the error can be localized. Firstly, first point is where the state was, which means not what was expectation, then reach what was expected state. Thank you.